Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how to fix AirPods Pro pop-up not showing. If your AirPods Pro pop-up isn't appearing on your iPhone, you could try following these steps. First thing is reset your AirPods Pro. Now first you have to put both AirPods Pro in their charging case. Close the lid and wait for approximately 30 seconds. Then you want to open the lid and press and hold the power button on the back of the case until the status light flashes white. This indicates that AirPods Pro are in pairing mode. Then, with the AirPods Pro in open case and light flashing white, place the case close to your phone. Then follow the on-screen prompt to connect your AirPods Pro to your iPhone. As you've done it, so this should be able to help you out. If not, you want to restart your iPhone. If the pop-up isn't showing, try force restart your iPhone. For that, this specific steps will defend your iPhone model, but it generally involves pressing and holding certain buttons until the Apple logo appears. Next thing, what you could also do is you could also check the Bluetooth settings. Ensure that the Bluetooth is turned on. For that, you want to go to your settings and enable the Bluetooth as well. The other potential issue or some of the basic steps you could go through is updating your iPhone software, checking for interface, or try different app that should be able to help you out. So this is how it's gonna look like if it's actually fixes. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.